kids, today we're on a quest to find animals with K in our jungle fest. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. K is for koala, in eucalyptus found. K is for kingfisher, fishing with ease. K is for kestrel, flying in the breeze. K animals you know, from the jungle to the ocean, watch them show. K is for kiwi, shy and small. K is for Komodo dragon, standing tall. K is for kudu with horns so wide. K is for kookaburras, in bushes they hide. K is for Kangaroos, in the dark of night. K is for killer whale, a mighty sight. K is for all these creatures, great and small. In our jungle of thought that we met them all. Thanks for learning, it's been real fun with K.